can see, this is like film strip from I Am Still, Jungkook I'm Still. So here you go. You guys can see it. And I think this is version 1, I Am Still. I want to put my fingerprints on it, but there you go. It's a film strip with 4 photos of Jungkook. And this is from Japan. Now we go to the photo card. Oh, so this is a freebie. A freebie from Suga. Thank you. And this is the photo card. So this is the photo card when you go watch I Am Still by Jungkook in Japan for the movie theater. So I think this is week 1. This is the ticket, I Am Still ticket from Japan. And this I think is the 3rd week, the photo card. So there you have it. I really, really love it. So that's it. Have a good day. Until the next unboxing. Bye-bye.